Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn about models in Odoo 18 and how they help in building a custom module. A model in Odoo helps you to structure and manage the data Odoo application store. And an Odoo model is a Python class that represents database table. So there are three types of model in Odoo. That is the regular model, transient model, and abstract model. Regular model. The primary purpose of a regular model is to store the data permanently in a database. So it also supports the ORM features like creating, updating, reading, and deleting. So here is an example for regular model. The second model is the transient model. Transient models are used for creating wizards in Odoo. So wizards are the interactive dialog boxes, and this stores the information temporarily, which means the data will be only available when the wizard is running. So here is an example for the transient model. The third model is the abstract model. In Odoo, abstract model acts as a blueprint, and it is designed to get some of the commonly used fields and methods across the other modules, which means that imagine you are handling an Odoo module and you just need to deal with other modules like the invoices, receipts, and all. So these modules will be having some of the common fields and common methods. So when you just define an abstract model, this shares the common fields and method that can be used in the other models. You can simply inherit this abstracted model into the required model. So these are the three types of models in Odoo 18. So if you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorial videos. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.